Hello, my dear students. Lecture number 6 for CBSE board. Chapter number 6 Triangles. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some theorems. So, try to understand these theorems. These theorems are slightly complicated. Theorem number 3. If in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportional, and hence the two triangles are similar. That means in this theorem you are going to prove tests of similarity, a test of similarity. Okay, that means if two triangles are given, and if their corresponding angles are congruent, then that two triangles are similar. Okay, now this is a triangle ABC and this is a triangle DEF. Given in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F given. Now to prove triangle ABC similar triangle DEF. Construction. Take point P and Q on side DE and DF such that AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ. Okay. Draw sec PQ. Proof. In triangle ABC and triangle DPQ, angle A is equal to angle D. Given side AB congruent side DP, side AC congruent side DQ. Construction. And therefore triangle ABC congruent triangle DPQ. SAS test of congruency. And therefore angle B is equal to angle P and angle C is equal to angle Q, corresponding angles of congruent triangle. But angle B is equal to angle E and angle C is equal to angle F given, and therefore angle P is equal to angle E and angle Q is equal to angle F. Okay, that means this angle and this angle is equal, this angle and this angle is equal. Okay, now in triangle DEF, side PQ parallel side EF, corresponding angle test. Okay, now these two angles are what congruent and they are what corresponding angles, and therefore side PQ parallel side EF, and therefore dP upon PE is equal to dQ upon QF, BPT theorem, and therefore PE upon dP is equal to QF upon dQ. Now here you add 1 both sides, so therefore PE upon dP plus 1 is equal to QF upon dQ plus 1, and if you simplify this you will get PE plus dP upon dP is equal to QF plus dQ upon dQ is equal to dE upon dP. So therefore dE upon dP is equal to dF upon dQ. And therefore dP upon dE is equal to dQ upon dF, and therefore for dP you substitute AB and for dQ you substitute AC, and therefore AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DF, equation number 1. Similarly, we can prove AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF. Statement number 2. And hence triangle ABC similar triangle DEF from 1 and 2. Okay. That means if two triangles are given and if their corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Okay. And hence triangle ABC similar triangle DEF. Theorem number 4. If in two triangles sides of one triangle are proportional to the sides of the other triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal and hence the two triangles are similar. And now this is SS test of similarity. That means what? If if three sides are what? The ratio of three sides, corresponding sides are equal, then these two triangles are what? Similar. Okay. Now try to understand. Proof. Given in triangle ABC and in triangle DEF, AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF given. To prove angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F, that is triangle ABC similar triangle DEF. Construction. Take point P and Q on side DE and DF such that AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ. Now try to understand proof. These proofs are slightly complicated, so concentrate. AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF given. Suppose this is statement number 1. And then by construction dP upon DE, for what this AB you substitute dP. So dP upon DE is equal to dQ upon dF by construction, and therefore now this you reverse. So dE upon dP is equal to dF upon dQ. Now here you subtract 1 from both the sides. So dE upon dP minus 1 is equal to dF upon dQ minus 1. Simplify this. dE minus dP upon dP is equal to dF minus dQ upon dQ. This gives you PE upon dP is equal to QF upon dQ. And now again you reverse this, and therefore dP upon PE is equal to dQ upon QF, equation number 2. And therefore PQ parallel side EF converse of BPT, and therefore angle P is equal to angle E and angle Q is equal to angle F, corresponding angles. So this is equation number 3. Now in triangle DPQ and triangle DEF, angle D is equal to angle D, common angle P is equal to angle E, angle Q is equal to angle F from 3, and therefore triangle DPQ similar triangle DEF test AAA test. And therefore dP upon DE is equal to PQ upon EF is equal to DQ upon DF, corresponding sides of similar triangle. And therefore PQ is equal to BC from 1 and 4, and therefore triangle ABC semi-congruent triangle DPQ. So SS test of congruency, and therefore angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F from 3, and therefore triangle ABC similar triangle DEF, and this is a test of similarity. Now in this case, one thing you remember, it is not necessary to show that all three angles are congruent. If you show two angles are congruent, then this test is proved. Okay. Now it is enough today. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.